Today we're going to be taking a look at the Q20S from Tronsmart. Now these are a hybrid active noise cancellation wireless headphone. So we're going to open it up, we're going to take a first look at them. Then we're going to get them charged up and test them out and see how great they really are. So let's go. There's a whole bunch of goodies in here. Okay, first of all, it does come with a warranty card. These are protected by warranty, which is fantastic. I love products that are protected by warranty. It just gives me a peace of mind. Now we do have two cables here. One is going to be a USB-A to a USB-C for charging. And then we do have this auxiliary cable. So here is the first look of the Q20S from Tronsmart. They feel really sturdy. They're nice and soft. They're padded up top, right there. And then obviously you do have your padding on your ears. It's nice and soft. It feels like it's memory foam or something like that. This is a really small feature, but I absolutely love it. The fact that they do actually have your R and your L inside the headphone. So you never have to look for a small little letter hidden somewhere, so you can actually put them on correctly the right way. So on the right side is where you do have all your buttons and connections. And like I said, it does use a USB-C. I think if a product is using a USB-C, it's just telling you that they want to work in with your life, being that most products these days are using a USB-C. So I'm gonna charge this up for a minute and then we're gonna turn them on and test them out. So all I did was turn them on and they automatically became discoverable in my Bluetooth on my phone. And with just one click of the button, they are now connected. So my first response to when I actually turned that music up loud is the fact that it was distortionless. And that's due to their 40mm dynamic drivers that they use. It just really offers a premium, rich sound, and it's really top notch and, like I said, distortionless. There's just no mumble in there, no fumble in there at all. It's just very crisp and clear. And they were super comfortable. The fact they have that 90-degree swivel and that memory foam, I could see I could wear this for hours without getting that outer ear soreness that I do sometimes get. So the big question is, can I pick up the audio with my microphone that I'm wearing that will allow you to hear the quality of this? So I'm gonna try that and then I'm gonna put them back on and yeah, see how much that the microphone will still pick up. And obviously this microphone is very sensitive. It's gonna pick up everything from a little click like that. So yeah, we're gonna test it out like that. So let me press play again. So due to their feed forward and feedback microphones that they use, these can actually block out up to 40 decibels of sound. So it's really designed to get rid of that background noise, say you're outside in a busy environment, at an airport, or if you really need to lock in on doing some work, maybe listen to a podcast and you want to just block everything out, then that's what these would be perfect for. Something I've noticed about the design is they angle a little bit forward. So they don't sit on the crown of your head up here, they sit a little bit more forward and it actually makes it more comfortable. They can expand to fit bigger heads. So I'm going to turn the music back on again and let's see how much my microphone picks up. I really love the design. They're very modern, clean, simple, minimalist and crisp. So what's really cool is there's this button called ANC. So when you click that, it actually turns on transparency mode. So that's gonna switch it from being noise cancellation to actually allow you to hear in your surroundings. I know sometimes when people go for runs alone and they like to be able to hear their surroundings and just be aware of what's going on around them, this will actually allow you to do that. Because the ear pads do swivel, also makes it very comfortable to just place them here if you're constantly taking your headphones on and off. And a lot of those features like this really come down to the fact that they designed it correctly. They put thought into how they sit on your ear. They put thought on how it's going to sit around your neck. They put thought on if you want that noise cancellation or you don't want that noise cancellation. They put thought by having that high res sound, which gives you 3 times richer quality, plus that distortionless audio, and they put thought in when it could be wireless, or if you need to use a wire to actually connect it to something. For me, when I'm editing videos up late, maybe I don't want the rest of the house hearing the music or the volume on the videos, so I can actually just plug these in. It's gonna be comfortable in my ears. I'm gonna get that perfect crisp sound, a very accurate sound, and I'm gonna be able to get my work done. And on top of all of that, these can be used for making phone calls, so you're just gonna get that crisp, clean sound delivered to your ears on conversation, and you're not gonna struggle to be able to hear anyone or give that feedback when you're talking to people. If you are interested in the wireless headphones, the Q20S from Tronsmart, we are going to leave a link in the description below. Please comment what you thought about these and what you thought the best feature was. Share this with a friend, hit that like button, and of course hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this. We'll see you in the next one.